Welcome, students. In this session, we will discuss common problems found in pumps on board ships, especially because pumps are used in large numbers on ships, both on the deck side and in the engine room. Every seafarer must know these problems and their practical troubleshooting methods. The good news is you do not need to be an expert. What you need is the ability to identify basic signs, observe symptoms, and take preventive actions whenever required. Let us now study each problem in detail. Delivery failure. The first major issue is delivery failure. This means that the pump is running but is not able to deliver liquid at the required pressure. To tackle this, you must check if the pump is primed properly and ensure that the pump is moving with sufficient speed. Look for air leakage and verify that the impeller, gear, screw, or other liquid driving mechanism is not broken or damaged. The pump shaft must move in the correct direction, and the suction lift must not be more than required. If any of these parameters are incorrect, the pump will fail to deliver properly. Priming failure. The second problem is priming failure, which especially occurs in centrifugal pumps. Priming is essential to start most pumps. If the pump is not able to prime properly, check for leakage in the pump joint, leakage in the gland joint, or air leakage. Also verify that the priming drive is not faulty. Without proper priming, the pump simply cannot begin its operation effectively. Inability to build pressure. Sometimes the pump runs, but there is inability to build enough pressure to ensure smooth flow of liquid. In such cases, first check whether priming is done properly. Then check that aircocks are not open. Inspect the internal moving parts, such as impeller or screw, and make sure they are not damaged. The wear rings should not be worn out, and the pump must run at the right speed. Also look for mechanical defects and check for cavitation in the casing of the pump, which can seriously affect pressure buildup. Excessive vibration. Another common issue is excessive vibration, where the pump vibrates a lot and makes loud noise. If this happens, check the foundation to ensure there is no loose support. Verify proper alignment of the pump and motor, and check for impeller imbalance or erosion. Also, make sure there are no mechanical faults or bent shafts. Examine the distance piece between pump shaft and motor shaft, and ensure the rubber bush piece is not worn out. Worn bearings can also cause vibration, so they must be carefully checked. Reduced capacity. Due to continuous running, the capacity of the pump often reduces drastically. When there is insufficient capacity, first check if the pump is running at proper speed. Inspect for air leakage and ensure there is no obstruction in the suction pipe. Also, the suction lift and liquid temperature must not be too high. Check that the total dynamic head is not greater than the rated value, and verify that the pump relief valve is set at correct value. Reduced capacity affects efficiency, so it must be corrected immediately. Motor overload. A very common pump driver problem is motor overload. If the pump motor overloads, check that the speed of the pump is not high and that the quantity of liquid pumped is not too much. The viscosity of the liquid must be up to the mark, and valves in the line must not be in a closed position. Also look for problems or obstructions in the rotary parts of the pump, as these can cause overload and overheating. Loss of liquid. The last problem is loss of liquid, where the pump may start properly but later loses liquid during running. In such cases, check whether the suction lift is as required and look for any leakage in the suction line. Also, check the temperature of the liquid because high temperature can lead to vapor formation. Most importantly, the relief valve of the pump must be set at the right value to avoid loss of liquid to the overflow line. In conclusion, these common problems found in pumps on board ships must be understood by every marine engineer. Pumps are essential machinery, and quick identification of faults, followed by systematic troubleshooting, ensures safety, reliability, and smooth operation of the ship. Always observe, diagnose, check symptoms, and take timely corrective actions. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.